when you're playing on the lower strings, moving down, some of us, when we lift our hand, we lift the hand too. We do this motion toward the sky. And I want you to more feel that the hand is lifting out. You're going out this direction, not up. You're moving up, like you're moving like an umbrella opening, like this, and then move over and drop. And when you attack this low string, don't try to pull it. Let the fingers feel as if they're sort of sliding off a little bit. It is a bevel, so this piano con tastiera. I learned that from my luthier. So lift out, don't lift up. Maybe that will help you. Lift out, don't lift up. Open out, then bring it in. That might help you be more in tune when you play on the lower strings.